So I'm going to make this real quick. I've included some screenshots so you can see exactly where I have to click in order to get to this point. But as you can see, I'm in my Wix editor. And they have templates available for landing pages. And this is one. So pretty much all you have to do is here. It already has all of the information. But right here, well, actually for one, I'm going to change this background image, but just this point right here, I'm going to change this to say just something simple just to show you all what I'm doing. So you click on the box and then it comes up with this little button here that says edit text, and you click there and it highlights it. So I'm just going to put something simple. I'm just going to put coming soon. It's real easy to edit and whatnot. And I don't want this contact page or this little contact form here. So I'm just going to left click on it. And then it gives me the option to delete it. So I'm going to delete that. I don't want this box, this text box here. So I'm just going to right click to delete that as well. And then I'm not sure what this box is, but I'm just going to delete it because I don't need it. So then I go over here to add. I go to app market. And then once I get to the app market, right here it says get Wix subscribers. So I'm going to add this to the site. And I'm basically going to put it in place of where those other boxes were. And you can see if you move it around, you'll see the little pink line light up that basically helps you with your alignment. So right here is basically join our email list and whatnot. And you see this little box here, it says settings. So I'm just going to click there. And then this box pops up right here. And this is where all of your settings are. So you click on manage form. And it's going to ask you what information you want them to include. So you want them to include their email. I'm going to turn on name. And I'm also going to turn on their phone number. And make both of these pieces of information required. And over here you can see where the box has changed. So I'm just going to click I'm not going to click out of it yet. It also has a layout where you can do a different layout. Currently this is the one I have, but if I click this one, then you can see where the box changes. So I like this design, so I'm going to go back. Of course you can change the alignment. You have a button here that says design. So this is the one I have. You can click on classic. You can click on postcard, and it'll just give you different options of how you want it to look. I like what I had before, so I'm going to go back to that. This option here, which says pop-up, you can click there. And basically, it's basically when they come to the website, instead of the box being here, it's just going to pop up in the screen. But I don't like for it to pop up for this particular thing. And then here, emails. You want to create a new email. So when somebody comes to sign up on the page, then once they sign up, it sends them an email like, thank you for subscribing, or however you want to, set it up. So you're just going to click here to set that up. You want to send it immediately after they sign up. You hit next, and then you just click here to actually edit the email. So just to edit it, you're just going to go in to change everything it says or put any information in there. I'm not going to do that right now. I'll do it in a second. And this particular background picture right here, I'm just closing this. But this background picture right here, I'm just going to click on it. Then it says change page background. right here. So I click there, and right here is giving me the option to change the image. And these are images that I already have. So you can do free images right here and then do a search. And for this, I just want to do a picture of a woman that's actually working. So I just typed in working woman. And I don't know what kind of work they're doing. But, you know, it's going to give me different images that I can choose from. And I'll just pick her, change background, and it's actually going to change the picture. Now this little image right here, I don't need either one of those, so I'm just going to delete them. Delete, 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 delete. And then that's pretty much it. I would just save it. So I mean, setting up a landing page is really easy. And I'm probably going to end up changing this picture again, only because I don't know, I might keep it. But that's pretty much it. You just click up here to save it. Then it's going to save it, and then right there is where you have your publish now. And there's the website address right here. And that's the website that you would post, or either you can go to Bitly, or if you have a domain. And that is it. Pretty simple, straight to the point, and it's free. If you have any questions, just message me or comment below.